Hello everyone, I welcome you back to the course, and today we will talk about setting up the environment. So the agenda will be what is IDE, some Python famous IDEs, and then we will see how to install the Python and the Anaconda, and then a walkthrough session of the Jupyter notebook. So the first question is, what is an IDE? And IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is a software for building applications that combine common developer tools into a single graphical user interface. So, in simpler language, it's a tool, or you can say it's an application, which is a user friendly for coding. You can code in the Python in these editors, and which gives you the advantage of like source code editor. You have some local build automations such as the integration to your GitLab and Git, and the debugger where you can debug the codes. So some of the famous Python IDEs available are PyCharm, Visual Studio, Sublime Text, and Jupyter Notebook, Spider, and so on. So we'll be using the Jupyter Notebooks in this course, and I recommend you to download the same, and we'll showing how to download Python and the Anaconda for the Jupyter. So just simply open your browser and type download Python. I'm telling you the two ways. So just go to this site, the first one, and download the Python for your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I've already installed. So you can click on this Windows button, or if you're using Linux, you can click on this. If you're using Mac, then you can click on this button, and it will simply download it. Just simply install it, and there is nothing to worry in this installation. Just click next, and you will good to go. Now coming like for setting up the environment, the IDE which we will be using the Jupyter Labs, because it is very simpler to use, and we'll go through once like after installing we'll go through one session of how the Jupyter notebook looks like. So that is like very easy to use IDE where we can try, test, and can code. And to download it, just simply type download Anaconda. That's it. If you click enter, you will see the first link that is coming, individual edition Anaconda. Just click on this, and once you get this, just download this. So it will show you whole information. It's open source, it has packages, and what's the advantage of using Anaconda is it give you pre-installed packages that will be needing, that we will use in our coding. So we don't have to install some of the packages. It is coming pre-built installed with the Python. So yeah, these are like packages: NumPy, Pandas, SciPy. So it gives you all preloaded, and it's like computationally fast, and you can try, like in Jupyter notebooks you can create different virtual environments. So that's a big detail. Just download it, and once it is downloaded, like when you are installing it, so I this PDF, I will share this link. So I've already downloaded, so I'm telling you, click on the next button, then I agree, then it's set for just for me. And there is one important unchecked things. Yeah, these two. So do not check, or you can do not click on these two features. What they are saying is they will set the Anaconda like into your path environment, and in future if you install any new packages, it will conflict with your original Python. So please uncheck these two options, and then you can click on install button. So that's all about installing it, and just click on the finish and you are good to go. So in the next video we'll talk about the walkthrough session through Jupyter Notebooks.